I want to show you what happens when people don't set good standards or stick to them. I was driving along 5 miles away from our factory, and there I see some scrap from our metal skip from our yard. So the company that collects it obviously doesn't have a good standard to secure the waste. Great job Josh and Alex to continue on cleaning the floor in the packing area, and I set a new standard for the cleaning equipment for the packing area also. This is before and here's after. So I put a bracket for the backpack vacuum, cleaning product no excuse one, and a rag, dustpan, large dustpan, and I made a nice bracket for the sweeper and a simple hook bracket at the top with a magnet that holds it on. It's quite fun and easy to do, and it sets a great standard, so keep it better than we found it. And also here's Chris. We had to cut a hole into the container with the compressors in to add some ventilation. This is a Saturday job, so we cut a big hole and we upcycled some fans that we had left over from the old laser. They do still need a clean and a coat of paint, but we put them into the wall and wired them into a thermostat. So you can see inside it needs some tidying up and some finishing, and we had to take a floor panel out which is 8 foot long and put some mesh in so the air comes in.
All the ducting on 3 of our lasers is all done and connected to the system, so it's nice and easy and more quiet now, so you can adjust even the airflows in every single one of them, and a lot better.
And I made and installed the new signage for press brake number 3 and also laser number 4, and it's actually now up and running. Here's a video Chris shot. Appreciate the speed and power of this one. This is, along with laser 5, is 6 kilowatts, so it's much faster and more powerful than all the others. Fantastic. And I also made a sign for laser number 5, and that's installed on top with magnets. And the packing team again in the warehouse putting up some new racking for the big delivery that came in. There's 20 pallets, so that we've quickly done that on Friday evening. Great job everyone that was involved in that. And Mark with a quick before and after, taking out the bin. And also setting a standard for the brooms in the packing area. Before and after from Stuart, but I'm not sure what it is. Maybe you could take a video so you can show us in detail. See something yellow, I'm not sure what it is. Amazing job Chris. Had this trolley for 20 years. Look at that, it looks new again. And a great another improvement from Jake in the kitchen. This is a label that's a couple of years old. It's hidden behind the tower, and now it's got great visual control. You can see it up above. And Jake with an amazing improvement on the ordering of our ink cartridges for our label printer. So it's got such great visual control, and it eliminates all struggle with the ordering process and keeping the stock. So I think to note with this, it's anything that we have to manage like this, Jake can make these cards, QR code systems, anything very easily. So just approach Jake with a problem and he can make you a signage or an ordering system. And Sorek with a fantastic before and after. Good job. Cleaning top of the power box. Let's keep it this way.
I've just finished making a fastener library for SolidWorks parts. So in the fastener database here.
So with the 3D renders, Josh, maybe you could make a video. You can show us them in 3D so everyone clearly can see what you're explaining. And me with a quick before and after, fixing what bugged me. Been like that for a couple of years. I've got plenty more painting to do. Thanks for watching.